Hey everybody, I hope you've all had a great week. So it's been a while since I did a YouTube video and I just wanted to talk through the two trades taken this morning on GBPUSD. Very simple trades this morning, getting 6% over the two positions. Ignore the gap for now. All I'm going to concentrate on is what's happening down here. I'm going to get rid of some price and walk through with you. So first of all, you can see we had the low that was formed previously in New York. And also within that area as well, we have reason for a reversal given that we are now rebalancing the market. So first of all, what I'm going to do is now get rid of some price action. And we can see that we have Asia here. Okay, prices spiked into the New York low. And at the bottom, we've had that nice morning star formation, pin rejection, and then we've got that bullish engulfing Marubozu closure. So they're moving down to a lower time frame. What I'm trying to look for is that lower time frame break of structure. So make sure that you understand break of structure. Okay, we can use either this point, or actually let's go for this point here to be honest. But you can see at the moment, price is clearly in that downtrend. Okay, and then we have price move to the uptrend. So once we've made a higher high, we have 75% chance of a higher low being formed. And you'll see that from my other YouTube structure video that I've created for everyone. And once we now have that break of structure, so we can clearly put on here, we have our break of structure there, right? So what we're looking for now, because we've made a new high, we're looking for a new low. I'm not going to go into too much detail about exactly why we're looking at these areas, but it's important that the market rebalances itself. And I can see first off that this is the area that we're looking to come into to make that higher low. So this is our lower low, higher high. We are now looking for a higher low to be formed. And so if I just use my Gbpusd to go through this here, there. So that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for price to come into this area. Now, once we know that this is where price is looking to come into, we need to make sure that the lows are covered. And then we need to be looking for now. So ideally for me, I'm quite happy for this to be an 8.6 pip stop. And initially, I'm just looking for 3%. 3% a day equates to 15% a week, which is then obviously 60% a month. So, and that's achievable. I honestly believe that. So now we can let price play out, and we're waiting for price coming to our area. There we go. So we've had the higher low now being formed. So when we've made a higher low, we have that 75% chance of the higher high being created, meaning now that we are looking for these previous highs to now be taken and a new higher high to be formed. So for me, again, I can see there are a few things going on here, but all I'm bothered about is my 1 to 3%. And I would already be break even on this, given that we've now broken the structure point as well. And I'm now waiting for price, bang, to come in and take me out at that 3%, right? Which I think is the magic number in terms of if you want consistency. So now we've just made a higher high. So that was our higher low. So we can now clone this and make this our higher high. So again, if we've now just created a higher high, again, we have 75% chance of a higher low being formed. This was the last low. So I'm looking for price to turn around before this area to come down to then continue to make another higher high. So all I need to do now is wait for price to come in and around this area. So to preempt, again, I'll put my risk reward tool on. I'm still going to cover these lows as well, because sometimes you can get a manipulative spike into the lows as well. This is also the bottom of Asia, so we need to make sure that that's covered. And again, I'm not being greedy on this. I'm going for 3%. So if we were make a higher low here, I'm almost guaranteed, well, I say I've got 75% chance that price is then going to come and exceed this high here. But again, it's about not being greedy and getting what you're comfortable with. So given that I've already got a 3% win on this move here, I'm quite happy to get another 3%, end up with 6% for the day, get out in the market. The ultimate target is going to be here, which is again 133,389. That's our ultimate target. But the trade that I took out at 3% here, and again we can just wait. So wait for price to come back down to create our higher low. There we go. So we're now tagged in this trade. There That we can now get rid of this. And then as soon as we get the impulsive move, I was going to say break even, but you can see again how quickly this is. Literally zero drawdown on both these positions. And then now as well, if we go to the 5 minute, you can see nice, again, morning star formation on the 5 minute, bearish move, wick rejection, and then bullish engulfing Mariposa closure. And then price eventually continues to our ultimate target, which would be obviously the top of the previous Asia. It just goes and goes and goes and goes with zero stress on this in terms of price keep coming back and wicking you out. And you can see how important it is to get in initially after you've got your break of structure and get in early once you've got your confirmations, because this is giving us two opportunities. Sometimes you only get one opportunity and then price will fly. So on this, it's given us two opportunities and then now price is just continuing to go higher. So they are the two trades taken today. I hope that helps everybody. If anyone's got any questions, obviously shout up. You can learn all of this on my Forex Trading Academy. I walk it through step by step of everything I do, how to enter, what to look for on the higher time frame. I mean, you'll see on this video, I've not even covered the higher time frame on this. There are quite a few things going on, which gives me that confidence to take the trade. But given the lower time frame confirmations that I've got and what I've just gone through, this is literally bread and butter stuff, easy trading. And if you want to learn more, then get in touch through the website, which is www.steveluke.co.uk. So I hope that helps, and I'll do another video soon.